Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hi everyone. Today I wanna present that to you about Cordula. But before that, I wanna introduce myself. My name is Barabian. I'm student of IDN Boarding SMP, IDN Boarding School in Yonggol. Okay. What will we today? Today we will be continue about Cordula ID tutorial. Okay. Let's go. I know you think when you hear coding, you will be think like this. Is so many lah make Android application. You think like this, but no. I will be teach you like this. It's very easy, not like type so many. It's just little like this. Use block code and is this color so many format you easy lah for filter this forward and other. Okay. Continue. What is Codelar? Codelar, um, Codelar is platform for creating Android app without coding. Yes, in this application you not use coding like other application. And in here you can see in here is so simple for UI and you so easy lah for like lah if you see this palette for palette this viewer for viewer and this you see block and this for design and other. Okay, and continue modular advanced modular so many advanced than other, like the first is simple interface. Yes, like before I tell in modular so simple, very simple, no like other. Is clean and easy to understand, perfect for beginner. And the second is use drag and drop. It's so easy because use drag and drop, not like other. Maybe is other use like type coding one by one, but in Controller just use block code like Lego if you know without the hash of coding. Okay, and the third is the most important is free. It's Controller is free, not like other. Maybe there is other you must pay, but in Controller is free. Okay, and the last is large community. Large community because in Controller is so large the community. If you want like you want see search tutorial Controller, okay, Controller you can see in YouTube. You can search tutorial example is how to me or other, or you are join group for Controller or competition Controller. It's so many because the competition is community so many. Okay, continue. I will give you example application in Controller which can make in Controller. Okay, the first is the example is name card. In here, name card is an application that functions as digital card to display our biodata portfolio. It allows us to display personal information. Okay, experience on this project and various other legal event like professional. Yeah, like professional. You can you if you want, some people ask, hey, what your name card? You can just give the application or you can show the application. Okay, the UI is like this. You can see in here is the name card application. Okay, continue the other example. In here is calculator. In calculator, you can calculate the number using various mathematical formulas. Okay, in here you can see the UI. This same like other calculator. You can type in here. If you click this, is for what? It is for minus or this for plus and other. Okay. Continue. This aplikasi I make it dulu.
Halo semua.
Okay, this is example. If I say like that, he will be if click speech.
Apa kabar?
Like this. He will be give sound, and this you can record too like this.
Semoga sehat selalu.
And in here, not just use Indonesian language. In here you can use English. Like yesterday I ever use Turkey language with my friend. My friend asked me what code find my up to me, and he say can remake or not use Turkey, and I try and can. Okay, use Turkey can, and maybe other language can too, but I never more explore than this. Okay, continue. Now I will be show to you about just a little about Modular. The first is just home screen. This home screen for Modular, and this for you create apps or you can see more. Okay, but the normal people is you create apps. This for create apps, and after create apps you will be like this. This is login page. You can use your email, but in here if you scroll email you must create account first. But if you use personal email, you can just click this Google, or if you have GitHub, you just use GitHub. Okay. After that, you must use email. If in Modular, you choose email or email. But I use this for my Modular account. Okay, next is project page in Modular. In here, you can create your project, import your project or other. And in here, this create your project and import for import. If you have file like your friend have file Modular. You want that file. You can your friend can say I can send, and you can take and you use import, or if your friend one you can give to like me, yesterday give up to me Turkey language. Okay, continue. If already create up, you will be like this. You can name your application. If like this, for example, this example, I use out to me, but you must use underscore in here, like lines in down, and in here you just click next in dollar, and you can click cancel if you don't want. Okay, continue. Anyway, this is my project same like before, but this for you if you are this app name for app name, well you download application in here, and this default time. It's so many if you want to choose, but I just use default because I wanna design with myself, and this package name and this primary color and primary color data. Okay. And in here there is two back if you want change the name application, the name of your project, and this cancel if you want cancel the project, and this finish if you want start the project. Okay, continue. This is design area. This for you design like this. This for palette. Palette for you take like button, checkbox, that speaker, image, label, and other. You can take in here. And in here too you can search. In palette you can search if you are maybe you want space but you don't know in where. You just search space. And in here too there is like layout and other. In here so many. But maybe you just use if you first start you just use this too. But if you already so many use or you want to explore other application, you can use other. But the second is screen for you. Like if you design the application, UI application like what you can see in screen. Like structure. The first is what, the second is what, and other is what. Okay. Okay, and continue. In here is component. This component for you like the first what, the first screen. After screen, you want use button or other. You can in here is for check or rename. This for rename, and this for your delete. And in here is properties. You can change the like name, your screen name. You can change in here, or your like horizontal. You can use this for center. Jadi like in middle, and vertical in top or in down or in middle too. Okay, I will be faster. Continue. This is block area for you coding. Yeah. Before is front and is in back. And before is sound effect. Good sound effect. And this is block for you if you want use like control or logic. mat, and then you can take from here and in here too. Like if you have new component like button, and there is in here data if you have button in this area. Okay, and here is warming if you have bug or trouble or other. And this viewer for you put block and you put block lah. And this rest for you delete your block, and this last is backpack. Okay, for you take your block, yes your block, and maybe this all there's no delay because time is limit. Maybe that's all for me. If I have any mistake, I'm sorry. Udah selesai. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.